Good day, fellow entrepreneurs, and today I'll be talking to you about how I sold my Instagram account for $3,000. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get into this. I will be going behind the scenes of what really happens on the other side of Instagram, what no one talks about or what no one sees. Now, just to give you a little disclaimer, it is against Instagram policies to buy and sell accounts. However, if you do have a business, then there's nothing wrong in selling over your business, and all the possessions that belong to your business goes to someone else. Now, I have been growing an Instagram account, a specific Instagram account, from January. And when this account reached to about 60,000 followers, someone came in and said that they would like to buy this account, that they liked the engagement and so forth of the account. And to be honest, I didn't really want to sell my account. I had invested so many hours, so much time on this Instagram account, and I didn't want to let it go. But because I needed that money to invest in another business that I currently run, I went ahead with the deal. So let me show you how this actually happens. And for those who are watching out there, there are people on Instagram who buy and sell Instagram accounts almost every single day. And I was not introduced to this world until I started Instagram and started getting heavily into Instagram and growing Instagram accounts. But let me go in here and show you the messages that I received from those young men who wanted to buy my Instagram account, because a lot of people out there might be saying, oh, this guy is making up some stuff, or a lot of people do not trust my account, especially doesn't have many subscribers, and they're like, who is this guy just talking about Instagram here? But I want to show you some proof, and a screenshot will pop up on the screen here of the conversation that I had on Instagram, which transitioned to us going onto WhatsApp because we didn't want to get in trouble for doing this type of transactions on Instagram. So then we went to WhatsApp, and let me go into my WhatsApp messages and show you what was really said. As you can see here, on June the 12th was when we started dialoguing on WhatsApp. We have been talking about a few weeks prior about selling the account. I was kind of skeptical and afraid. So June 12th, they're saying, hey Renoir, and the two other guys, I would probably block out their name in the editing because I really want to conceal their identity unless they want to reveal their name. I'm actually going to do an interview with one of the guys who I sold the account to later on, so you can stay tuned to watch this here. And then it says, I said, hello, how's it going? And then the response is, all is good, and said, so as agreed, for the $3,000, what will we receive? And I responded and said, you receive the Instagram page and one-on-one mentor and walk through with how I grew my Instagram page so quickly, and also support throughout the transition period of you guys taking over the account, showing you how to continue to make it grow, and I'm projecting it reaching 100K in the next 2 months. So now this is the message that we were dialoguing back and forth, and also I will show you a screenshot here of the PayPal, me receiving the money through PayPal, and so that way I can show you proof that this actually happened. Now, this is one way that you can actually make money on Instagram or online. You can grow Instagram accounts, and there are many people out there who are looking to buy Instagram accounts. There are many lowballers out there, just to let you know as well. One guy actually offered me to buy my account for $500, and I said, no way, I've been investing so much time and effort into growing this account, and the account has been growing for about 3 months, and he messaged me and wanted to give me $500 for this account. Now, people buy accounts to resell later on for more profit. So if you run into guys who are really serious and who really wants to grow a brand or an e-commerce store, then this is a great avenue for them to buy an Instagram account instead of growing an account for free 6 months, 9 months, almost a year. Some people grow accounts for years. And sometimes you can even get $10,000, $15,000, depending on the people who wants to buy the account. First of all, if they're professional, have a real brand or e-commerce store going on, and the people that are just want to see the value in Instagram and understand that Instagram is a great avenue to bring in income. Now, you have to be very careful when you buy and sell Instagram accounts on Instagram. There are other escort services out there, and some of them, I have done some research, some of them are scams. Some people said that they have done it, the transaction where this escort service holds the money until the transaction happens, and individuals have said that they have never received the money and also that the account was stolen from them. So you have to be very careful out there. And also what I had done with this account, I actually asked for a partial deposit, so half of the money, and then when I gave the password and all the information over, they had to give me the other half of the money within a certain time frame, so that way I know that they're not that they didn't dupe me. And some of you might be thinking, how do I get someone to buy an account from me? Where do I advertise my accounts and so forth? I didn't really advertise this account here. Someone messaged me, and there were other people who messaged me asking to buy this account. So if someone seeing your account is growing and it's growing very quickly, they will be interested in buying your account already. You don't really have to do advertising at that point. And the next question is, how did I get my account back? Now, those same guys who bought the account from me came and we negotiated and agreed to join partnership because they currently run a 6-figure e-commerce stores doing drop shipping, and I'll be partnering with them, building Instagram accounts, and we'll be using those Instagram accounts to generate traffic to these stores and to make some money. So we have partnership together and we have become business partners. So then I was actually able to get back onto this account and to grow it even further and bring it to 100,000 followers in a 6-month space of time, from January up until July. And I will be doing a video very soon of how I grew this account to 100,000 followers in 6 months. So this is the video here for today. I hope that your minds have been open to see various ways that you can monetize or make money online from Instagram. And coming very soon, I'll be talking more about e-commerce and drop shipping and how to make money in different various avenues. So if this video has been helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you have never seen my videos before and you're new to the channel, please care to subscribe, because there are many videos coming soon that will help you to grow your online income from scratch, from nothing. So have a blessed day.